Let me share with you how to make the most comforting, simple lettuce egg drop soup. This is the incredibly light and flavorful soup I enjoyed most often on my own health journey. Lightly spray your pot with about 5 milliliters of oil over a medium heat. This tiny amount is just enough to prevent sticking without adding unnecessary calories. Crack in 2 large eggs which weigh roughly 100 grams. Let them set for just a moment before gently scrambling them right in the pot. You want to create soft, golden pieces that will float in your soup. This next step is the true secret. Carefully pour in 500 milliliters of freshly boiled water. Watch as the broth instantly transforms into a rich, milky white, creating a beautifully smooth and sticky base. Next, add 150 grams of soft tofu. Cut into small cubes. These delicate cubes will soak up the savory broth and add a wonderful soft texture to every spoonful. Follow that with a generous 10-gram sprinkle of dried shrimp. These little shrimp are powerhouses of flavor, adding a deep, savory umami taste that makes the soup taste incredibly rich and complex. For the fresh finish, add a big 100-gram handful of fresh crisp lettuce. Just stir it through the hot broth for about 60 seconds until it warms slightly. This adds a wonderful color and a light, clean flavor. Finish your soup with just a 5-gram teaspoon of salt and a 3-gram teaspoon of white pepper. This simple seasoning is all you need to bring all those beautiful, clean flavors together perfectly. Ladle the soup into your bowl. You can see the soft eggs, the delicate salt, the specks of shrimp, and the vibrant green lettuce all in a rich, milky broth. It is a feast for the eyes before you even take a bite. The result is a broth that is deeply savory, clean, and absolutely satisfying. It is wonderfully delicious and so simple to prepare. This wholesome soup is waiting for you to give it a try.